What we're going to learn today is how to do programming on the TI-84 calculator. More specifically, how to program, if I give you three sides of a triangle, how to use Heron's theorem of the area equals the square root of side times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c, which will give me the area of the triangle. So we're going to do this all on the calculator and then be prompted with giving three random sides of the triangle, and it will give us the area. So we first want to go to Program. We want to make a new program, and we will call this Area. So what we want to do from here is put some script in so that we can establish getting prompted with the length of A, the length of B, and the length of C, and then be able to come up with the area of that triangle. So the first thing we want to do is that we want to be prompted for side A. We want to be prompted for side B. And we also want to be prompted for side C. So that's going to come up. We're going to be asked, what do you want to make side A? What do you want to make side B? What do you want to make side C? What we want to do from here is S is really equal to A plus B plus C, all divided by 2. So we want to establish that's going to be our first calculation. So A plus side B plus side C, all divided by 2. We're going to store that, and we're going to call that S. So that's going to be a calculation that the computer is automatically going to do. What we're going to do there is another calculation. So we're going to use Heron's theorem of the square root of S times the quantity S minus A times the quantity S minus B times the quantity S minus C. We want to store that, we'll call that H for Heron's formula. So then from here, we want to display then the area. So we're going to go to Program. We want to display, number 3, just the number H. So whatever H is, it's going to display. And let's see if this works. So I want to call up Program. We called it Area. And we're going to see how it works. So let's say that the area of the length of the first side is 6. The next one is 7, and the next side is 9. The next thing that you prompted is the area, which is 21. Let's try another one. So I want to call up Program Area. We want to be prompted with the length of side A, we'll say is 3. Length of side B, we'll say is 4. Length of side C, we'll say is 5. And our area is 6. Doing it by hand, I also got 21 and 6. So that's how we're going to do programming on the TI-84 using this TI Smart View emulator.